No, I don't. Hello friends, welcome back. Happy Monday. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. This morning I've already been out and about. I had an early hair and nail appointment. Got my hair lightened, fixed. I love Kimmy. She's amazing, seriously. And then if you live in the area or live in Utah County and want an amazing nail and hair lady, like seriously, go to 56 West Salon and I'll have their information down below, and ask for Camille. Seriously, you'll never regret it, honestly. Okay, so I am filming for you right now my weekly cleaning routine. So my daily, basically it's my daily cleaning routine. So I am working on Monday, what I do in the home on Mondays to clean, and it doesn't take long at all. So I am filming each day of this week, and that will be Monday's video for you, so stay tuned. So right now I am going over my zones because on Mondays I dust and polish, and I just don't go around my house and dust and polish everything. I could, like just flat surfaces, and sometimes I do that, but I really want to focus on zone 1. I believe we're in zone 1 this week with Fly Lady because it's the first full week of the month. So we should be in our kitchens, and I've redone her zone system to fit my house. Here, I have my cleaning cards out here to help me. I do have a video on these. Go click the link below, or the eye in the sky, so you can see my cleaning cards. And these have been the best thing for me. Talk about staying on track and not feeling overwhelmed. So I'm just going through my zones and seeing, I do need to create a new card for our mudroom right here, because that is something new that we didn't have in our last house. Everything else, the laundry room, the master bathroom, it's fine. Like everything is still good. The living room and family room, the living room is Derek's den. The only thing different is clean dog bed, wipe down crate, because that's no longer in that room. So I could redo that card if I want, but it's not a big deal. So we have a living room in the front of the house. That's Derek's den. He has his computer in there. That's his like office. And that's where we bring company over. We call it like the missionary room, where you bring company into your house. The office is a little different because it's not my office anymore. I don't know, maybe I could redo that. The family room, still the same. Yeah. I just need to add the dog bed to this one. Master bedroom is still the same. A lot of these don't need to change, but I do need to add a card for the mudroom. So I'm just going through all of this. So my zone 1 for this week is, okay, zone 1 are my green cards. So we have the garage, the entrance, the hallways, which I could still use. I have, well, I guess you can call the entrance a hallway, but the upstairs hallway, and I'm gonna count the stairs as that. Front porch and back deck. We don't have much of a back deck anymore, but yeah, the backyard and front yard grass are going in this week, so that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna focus on dusting these areas, deep dusting. So I will polish clean the windows and dust this zone. And yeah, so the garage we need to work on. When we first moved into this house, we were able to fit our cars in the garage, but once we moved in, really moved in, yeah, no. So, but I could go and straighten up that. I could do a little in there. Okay, so all right, so today I'm just gonna do some cleaning in my zones. But first, I'm doing my daily cleaning, and I'm going to dust the zone that we're in really quickly. It's not supposed to take long, and that's what I'm doing. Ta-da! So make sure you guys check out this video when it comes out next month on Monday. So seriously, I'm so hot right now. Got the fan blowing on me. I just need to cool down for a little bit after cleaning. Okay, we're over at my desk here in the corner of my room. Still not fully set up. I'm trying to find my YouTube play button. I've packed it real good. I'm still trying to find it. I'm gonna take a moment and I'm gonna write in my journal. This is my journal. I have many journals. And I have a box here of the Happy Planner stickers and some other stickers. So I like to add some stickers in there to make things pop and things like that. So yeah, so that is what I'm gonna do, is just take a moment and write in my journal. I haven't written my journal since before we moved, and I have a lot of things that I want to get out of my head and my heart and get it on paper. And it's good to let some things go. And so I'm going to take a few minutes and spend some time in my journal. Hello. So we are at Daddy's work waiting for him to come out. And we stopped at McDonald's to get some drinks. And then Daddy wanted a large fry because he hasn't eaten anything all day. And everybody wanted a large fry.
Hey.
So, that's what we're eating. And so, when Derek gets in the car, we're gonna head down and go see Grandma because she is having a surgery tomorrow.
Great grandma, exactly.
Yeah, great grandma, Opa's mom. So we're gonna go see her and visit her because she's got to get to bed because she has to wake up early for it. And then we're gonna go home and eat leftovers.
She's going out for work.
But I also have a purse full of snacks too, and apparently a purse full of sweet and sour sauces. Joe, after we went through the drive-thru, I was like, oh, I forgot to ask for the sweet and sour sauces, because dipping your fry into a sweet and sour sauce is so good. So,
and then if you're from Utah, dipping everything in fry sauce is good too.
But when we went through the drive-thru, I got all the fries and everybody their drink.
But Mom,
Except mine. So I was like, I already paid, we got our drinks. I'm like, I forgot to order myself a drink. I said, I have cash. Can I just order a drink? And he's like, sure. But then he handed me my drink and he said, don't worry about it. I'm like, what? And I handed him my cash, but he's like, don't worry about it. So that was super cool, huh, guys?
Yeah.
That was very sweet. So thank you, young sir.
if you watch the journey.
What did he say?
Lawson and I were like, if he ever sees it.
It is a hot day today.
Is it?
No, no, no. You switch your shoes. Switch your shoes.
My shoes are fine. Nothing wrong with my shoes. Is there anything wrong with my shoes?
Yes, put the right, both of the same color on.
I
Come
see
on.
nothing wrong.
I do, and you're gonna not leave the car with those on.
I already did to go into McDonald's to grab 10 packets of sour, sweet and sour
Well, you're
sauces.
fixing those.
Well, that's that.
And then I held the door open for a lady, and she was like, nice shoes.
Liar!
No, straight up. So I was going in, and I opened the door, and she was already there, and I was like, well, seniority. So I like moved out of the way, and then she looked, and then she like, nice shoes. And I was like, thanks. And I went in and got my 10 sour packets.
She probably walked away going, these kids these days.
Mom, you have gray hair.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
And
You
dye
just
it.
go to, you just don't want to show it on camera.
I
You dye your hair.
have not found one gray hair yet on my head, and neither has my
Because you dye it.
hairdresser. But I will say, I have found a gray hair in my eyebrows. But
Yeah, you're probably not gonna find it in your
gray
hair because you
hair.
dye it all the time.
I'm saying,
Like what?
Ah.
Once every other
I'm
week.
older than you. I have gray hair in my hair.
you do have gray hair in your hair.
Oh, right there.
You do.
It's my hair pretty
Probably a bird.
And so does Shaylee, because it's like a trait on Derek's mom's side.
Almost.
No,
Look
Dad.
at me.
Oh, yeah, Mom.
Yep. So Shaylee will be dyeing her hair come like, who knows, high school. Callie missed that gene, but Shaylee and Boston have
Oh,
it.
she's gonna get the twin gene. She's gonna have twins.
Our moment with
I wouldn't mind if Callie had twins.
this video is
These are really salty
Bye.
fries. I swear. The best McDonald's is the one by our old house. No one can compare. I spy with my little green eye something adorable. I know. I No! Will you tell him unacceptable?
He belongs in the 90s.
Yeah, seriously. Dad's gonna jump in the car. Let's go see Grandma.
Wednesday morning. So, yeah, so we'll make you stay tonight and make sure it's all
Have to
good.
watch it, make sure everything's going all right.
Sissy.
I'd be ready to go, probably.
Yeah.
All right, we're heading into Costco before it closes. This isn't bad for $9.99. A 37 piece. That is really cool. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, I like that. That would go good in their closets, the kids' closets.
In our closet?
That's what I'm wondering too. If we put it in our closet, maybe Shaylee's closet. Oh, like I said, it's the most wonderful time of the year when costumes come out to Costco. You excited? Gets you excited, doesn't it? Ooh, Batgirl.
But remember, I want to be. They used to have Jasmine.
We got some petite cinnamon rolls. 24 cage-free eggs. Jimmy Dean sausage. Cheddar cheese.
I can't find it.
Some lactose-free milk, 3 half-gallons, and some skim milk, 2 gallons. With tax, it came to $40.73. And we only got one thing we didn't need, which were the cinnamon rolls. So not bad, Hughes family. Not bad. With these items here, we're going to make breakfast burritos for the first week of freezer meals. And you're gonna see all that. So I'm gonna get the stuff in the fridge. Now that you're home from work, Callie, can you empty the dishwasher, please? So I can at least put what's in there in the sink for tonight. Kids are gonna have leftovers for dinner. Oh. You already ate dinner, Callie?
Yeah.
All right, we got plenty of Mexican shells, 3 Italian shells left. We have leftover, what is this meat that you made yesterday?
London broil.
London broil from family dinner last night. We've got plenty of food besides this so they can eat up. All right, these nifty egg containers that I got from at home. We'll fill them up. Put another one in the refrigerator that I could add more eggs to as well. Well, get ready for bed. You have tutoring. If you're hungry, hurry up and come heat something up.
Can I put these in here?
Yeah.
Excuse me, Mom. One thing I don't like.
It's me cutting the egg carton.
Callie, stop it, it's not bubbles.
I got it! Those new jammies? Aww. Shaylee got a bunch of clothes from her cousin. And they had some cute jammies in there. So she doesn't need much for back to school. All right, it's 9 p.m. Everyone is scarfing down,
This is the picture I really want.
scarfing down food, and then sheets on their bed, brush their teeth, go to bed. What is that?
What?
Virtual reality?
That's my headset.
Let me see your eyeballs.
They remind me from a movie.
Stay still. Whoa. Look at your eyeballs. Oh my gosh.
That feels so good. Yeah.
Oh, Derek's tri-tip yesterday for dinner was so good. So he did one in Italian seasoning and one with the Texas rub. Oh my gosh, so good. So one of the questions in yesterday's video that you guys watched was, have we unpacked the food room yet?
Yes.
No, we have not.
I'm dancing.
It's been busy. Soon, because We can't go into the holidays without it. Boston has the zone with Paige. He's got to make sure she has food and water. What are you doing by the pantry? Are you hoping something is gonna spill, drop?
No, she got in trouble for getting in the garbage, so now she's laying staring at it.
Oh.
Wow.
No, you have it on.
Me.